गॉर्जियस, फिर से लिपस्टिक खा गई।
Hello my gorgeous people, thank you so much for watching this video and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing my review on the Pixi Glow Tonic. It has recently launched on Nykaa and I think within the first hour or two it got sold out. It has not been restocked yet, so acha hi hai. I think you guys will be able to see this video and then make your decision whether you want to go ahead and purchase it or not. So yeah, let's start with today's review, and before that, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you like it, and also if you like this makeup look, it's already on my Instagram or will be coming soon on my Instagram. So this is my colorful cut crease and I've done a different type of cut crease altogether. So if you guys want to see such colorful looks and also neutral looks, मैं कभी कभार neutral looks भी करती हूँ, बहुत जन आप में से चाहते हैं कि neutral makeup, and mainly my heart lies here. I want to do colorful looks, I want to look colorful, and yeah, if you want to see more color in your timeline, then please make sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Titli Mukherjee official, and yeah, now let's start with today's video. First, let's start with the disclaimer. I am no formulator, I am no doctor, I am not a skin specialist, nothing. I am just a makeup and skincare enthusiast and like researching about makeup and skincare and their ingredients. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for the past 5-6 years now. So Pixi is a very well-known brand all over the world and their Pixi Glow Tonic is the most hyped product. मैंने देखा है कि बहुत सारे जनों के ऊपर ये बहुत अच्छा वर्क किया है, which is great. If it is working on you, then it's great. But irrespective of whether it's working on your skin or not, I would like to tell you some key important things that you guys should know before you make a purchase. So Pixi Glow Tonic is a 5% glycolic acid and you are supposed to use it twice a day and every day of the week, which is a lot, and you are not supposed to do that. You should not be using it every day of the week. You can use it every alternate day if at all you want to use it. दिन में 2 बार तो कभी नहीं. 5% glycolic acid every day twice a day आप अगर अपने skin पे use करेंगे तो it will sensitize your skin, it will irritate your skin, and even if it is not doing immediately, क्योंकि first आप use करोगे तो इतना effect नहीं पड़ता है, in the long run उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा आपके skin को affect करेगा in the bad way. If you ask me whether I will suggest it or not, I will definitely not suggest it, and I'll give you the reasons for that right now. So let's start with the pros first. So the number one pro is it's a alcohol free toner, जो बहुत अच्छी बात है, because if you guys know alcohol हमारे face के लिए बहुत ही खराब होता है. It's a very drying thing, but alcohol में 2 तरह के alcohols होते हैं. One is the drying alcohol and one is the fatty alcohol. So the fatty alcohol is very good for our skin and the drying alcohol is not so good for our skin because it dries our skin from within. So इसलिए हमको हमेशा देखना पड़ेगा कि जब भी हम toner use कर रहे हैं उसमें alcohol नहीं रहे. So the second pro is nothing. Yes, there is no other pro except this, and I'm also going to tell you why even the first one is not a pro. So I have written down all my notes, and this contains witch hazel. So if you guys know, witch hazel causes dryness in our skin, and witch hazel gets distilled in alcohol. So therefore इसमें definitely alcohol अलग से नहीं डाला हुआ है, but because witch hazel distilled होता है alcohol में, इसलिए alcohol इसमें present होता है. And again, witch hazel is a very drying ingredient on your skin, so you should avoid it. So the second con is sodium hydroxide is the third ingredient in the ingredients list. So sodium hydroxide is not a bad ingredient. It actually maintains the pH level of our skin. It does not allow the product to get very acidic or very alkaline. So the first 3 ingredients उसी से पूरा maximum जो composition है skincare item का वो उससे ही बनता है. So if sodium hydroxide is the third ingredient, then it's not a good sign. It is supposed to be there in the ingredients list but very much lower in the order and not on the top. And the Sone Pe Suhaga is, say with me, you guys know what I'm going to say. It's perfume, it's fragrance. And fragrance के अलावा यहाँ पे it has Cintrol, it has citronellol, it has linalool, it has limonene, it has geraniol, it has hexacinnamol, it has hydroxytonenol and whatnot. So these all are very irritating and very skin sensitizing ingredients, and this should never be in your skincare. It might not cause an immediate reaction because perfume generally अगर आपका skin बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive नहीं है तो perfume does not cause immediate issues, immediate problems, but in the long run it will sensitize your skin so much that आप उससे वापस नहीं आ पाओगे. So it is the last ingredient. I'm still okay because I have no other choice, but if you have all these ingredients that I just said, you should definitely run away from the product because in the long run it is going to ruin your skin. It is a quite expensive product, and अगर इतने expensive product पे आप अपना पैसा invest करके अगर आप ऐसे खराब चीज़ें अपने स्किन केयर में डालोगे, then it is really not worth it for me. But yeah, that's my recommendation to you. But then if you want to go ahead and use it anyway, then please go ahead and use it. But please make sure not to use it twice a day, and don't use it every day. Use it every alternate day if you at all want to use it. And yeah, with that, I have finished my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new, because that's exactly what I am here for. I want to tell you things that you probably have not heard from other bloggers or other YouTubers. That's my main motive. So if you're liking it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below कि आप लोगों को और क्या videos देखने हैं मेरे से. And I can already see so many of you commenting, and आपके comments से ही मैं अपना next video का schedule बनाती हूँ. So it is very very helpful for me. If you guys want to know anything, कोई भी video अगर आपको देखना है, क्या क्या videos देखना है वो प्लीज आप मेंशन करो, and I'll make sure to do it for you. As I said in my last video that every video I'll be giving a shout out to one of you जो नीचे कमेंट करके मेरे को कुछ भी बोलेंगे, अच्छा खराब, any suggestions और recommendations, या भी मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा. Let's be honest, मुझे सारी बहुत पसंद आते हैं. Whatever you guys have to say, I want to hear it all. तो मुझे सभी पसंद आता है बहुत, but I'll just select one because I cannot really select everyone. So I'll just select one every day. And today's shout out goes to this person who left this awesome message, and thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. I love you, and bye.